Ready?
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
My hella juries. Alright, we finna do the cinnamon challenge. Me and G.I. Joe. You ready for this? Don't bitch out on me. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Gotta swallow it.
You gotta swallow.
Call my mama, John! Nigga, I'm done! Call my mama! Man, who the fuck invented that shit? Nigga, I can't even swallow. They should've never gave you niggas cinnamon.
Was that gross? He's drinking cinnamon. You are not happy right now.
It felt possible at first, like for real.
I didn't think it. I thought I could at first.
I swear I tried. So, nigga, I got cinnamon up my nose.